National Weather Service marine forecast will follow. Break.
EOC Command Duty Officers /FLT WEACEM Norfolk, Virginia LOC Norfolk, Virginia /TEL 7572 444 7583 email FWC Norfolk CDO at Navy Mill /RM KSABPZ20 KNHC292329TWO EP Tropical Weather Outlook National Weather Service National Hurricane Center Miami, Florida 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Sunday, May 29, 2022 for the Eastern North Pacific. East of 140 degrees west longitude, the National Hurricane Center is issuing advisories on Hurricane Agatha, located less than 200 miles southwest of Puerto Angel, Mexico. Tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 5 days. Forecaster Papin // EOC Command Duty Officers // FLT WEACEN Norfolk, Virginia LOC Norfolk, Virginia /TEL 7572 444 7583 email FWC Norfolk CDO at Navy Mill /RM KSF CPN 01KWBC 3003548SF EP 1 High Seas Forecast National Weather Service Ocean Prediction Center Washington DC 0430 Coordinated Universal Time Monday, May 30, 2022 superseded by next issuance in 6 hours seas given of significant wave height, which is the average height of the highest 1/3 of the waves. Individual waves may be more than twice the significant wave height. Only you know the weather at your position. Report IT to the National Weather Service. Email US@VOS OPS at NOAA GOV lowercase. Secure Pacific north of 30 north and south of 67 north east of A-line. From Bering Strait to 50 north 160 east. All forecasts valid over I-3 forecast water synopsis valid 0000 Coordinated Universal Time May 30. 24-hour forecast valid 0000 Coordinated Universal Time May 31. 48-hour forecast valid 0000 Coordinated Universal Time June 01. Warnings. Gale warning. Low 42 north, 157 west, 996 millibars moving northeast 15 knots. Within 360 nautical miles northeast. 600 nautical miles southeast. 480 nautical miles southwest. And 120 nautical miles northwest quadrants, wind 25 to 35 knots. Seas to 12 feet. 24-hour forecast low 48 north, 154 west, 987 millibars. Within 420 nautical miles north and west. 600 nautical miles east. And 360 nautical miles south quadrants, winds 30 to 45 knots. Seas 9 to 18 feet. 48-hour forecast low 49 north, 152 west, 992 millibars. Within 480 nautical miles west semicircle, and 420 nautical miles north, and 360 nautical miles southeast quadrant. And within 120 nautical miles north and northeast of a front, to extend from 54 north, 149 west, to 53 north, 140 west, to 48 north, 133 west, winds 25 to 35 knots. Seas 9 to 17 feet. Gale warning. From 31 north to 40 north, between 119 west and 126 west, area of north to northwest, winds 25 to 35 knots. Seas 8 to 15 feet. 24-hour forecast from 30 north to 43 north, between 117 west and 128 west, area of northwest to north, winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 8 to 13 feet. 48-hour forecast from 30 north to 43 north, between 118 west and 127 west, area of northwest to northwest, 225 knots. Seas to 10 feet. Gale warning. Low 39 north, 167 east, 1,000 millibars moving northeast 15 knots. Within 300 nautical miles northeast. 600 nautical miles southeast. and 540 nautical miles northwest quadrants, winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas to 11 feet. 24-hour forecast low 45 north, 173 east, 994 millibars. Within 420 nautical miles northeast and 600 nautical miles southeast quadrants, winds 25 to 35 knots. Seas to 12 feet. 48-hour forecast low 49 north, 170 east, 984 millibars. Within 540 nautical miles northeast, 720 nautical miles southeast, and 300 nautical miles west and northwest quadrants, winds 30 to 45 knots. Seas 9 to 17 feet. Ashfall advisory. Azimughani volcano at position 55.6 north, 160.4 east has erupted at 0810 coordinated universal time 28 May 2022. Ash may be reaching the surface in the vicinity of Kamchatka Peninsula. Mariners in this area should exercise caution. If you encounter volcanic ash or floating volcanic debris, you are encouraged to report the observation to the Ocean Prediction Center by calling 3012-683-1520. Synopsis and forecast. 24-hour forecast low 40 north, 167 east, 996 millibars. Within 420 nautical miles north, 540 nautical miles southeast, 660 nautical miles southwest, and 480 nautical miles northwest quadrants, winds to 25 knots. Seas to 10 feet. 48-hour forecast low and associated conditions absorbed by low 49 north, 170 east, described in warning section above. Dense fog. Visibility occasionally less than 1 nautical mile from 41 north to 45 north, between 147 west and 159 west, and from 41 north to 45 north, west of 166 east. 24-hour forecast dense fog within 120 nautical miles northeast of A-line, from 48 north, 145 west to 44 north, 139 west, and from 48 north to 51 north, between 150 west and 158 west, and within 90 nautical miles northeast of A-line, from 45 north, 174 east to 42 north, 177 east. 48-hour forecast dense fog within 60 nautical miles east of A-line, from 46 north, 134 west to 41 north, 135 west, and within 120 nautical miles east of A-line, from 49 north, 178 east to 43 north, 178 west, and from 46 north to 52 north, between 171 east and 166 east. High 44 north, 178 west, 1022 millibars, moving northeast 10 knots. 24-hour forecast high 47 north, 174 west, 1018 millibars. 48-hour forecast high dissipated. High 59 north, 177 west, 1023 millibars, moving west 10 knots. 24-hour forecast high northwest of area. High 49 north, 139 west, 1025 millibars, moving southeast 20 knots. 24-hour forecast high 44 north, 130 west, 1025 millibars. 48 hours forecast high dissipated. High 36 north, 135 west, 1027 millibars, moving east 05 knots. 24-hour forecast high 36 north, 133 west, 1024 millibars. 48-hour forecast high 34 north, 133 west, 1023 millibars. 24-hour forecast new high 35 north, 168 west, 1021 millibars. 48-hour forecast high 37 north, 162 west, 1021 millibars. 48-hour forecast new high 59 north, 169 west, 1021 millibars. Forecaster Bell. Ocean Prediction Center. National Weather Service National Hurricane Center, Miami, Florida, East Pacific from the equator to 30 north, east of 140 west, and 03.4 south, to the equator east of 120 west. Synopsis valid 0000 coordinated universal time Monday, May 30. 24-hour forecast valid 0000 coordinated universal time Tuesday, May 31. 48-hour forecast valid 0000 coordinated universal time Wednesday, June 1. Warnings. Hurricane warning. Hurricane Agatha near 14.5 north, 98.2 west, 964 millibars up 0300 coordinated universal time, May 30, moving northeast 4055 degrees at 5 knots. Maximum sustained winds 95 knots, gusts 115 knots. Tropical storm force winds within 70 nautical miles northwest and southeast quadrants. 80 nautical miles northeast quadrant and 50 nautical miles southwest quadrant. Seas 12 feet or greater within 120 nautical miles north semicircle. 150 nautical miles southeast quadrant and 90 nautical miles southwest quadrant with seas 226 feet. Elsewhere within 12 north, 96 west, 210 north, 99 west, 210 north, 103 west, 216 north, 99 west, 216 north, 96 west, 212 north, 96 west, winds 20 to 33 knots. Seas 8 to 12 feet. Remainder of area within 08 north, 98 west, 207 north, 113 west, 212 north, 105 west, 217 north, 100 west, 215 north, 96 west, 208 north, 98 west, winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 to 11 feet in next 12. 24-hour forecast Hurricane Agatha near 15.6 north, 96.2 west. Maximum sustained winds 105 knots, gusts 130 knots. Tropical storm force winds within 60 nautical miles northeast quadrant, 90 nautical miles southeast quadrant, 80 nautical miles southwest quadrant, and 50 nautical miles northwest quadrant. Seas 12 feet or greater over forecast waters within 120 nautical miles of center with seas 228 feet. Elsewhere within 13 north, 95 west, 213 north, 97 west, 214 north, 98 west, 216 north, 98 west, 216 north, 94 west, 213 north, 95 west. Including offshore Gulf of Tehuantepec. Winds 20 to 33 knots. Seas 8 to 12 feet. Remainder of area within 10 north, 95 west, 208 north, 100 west, 211 north, 108 west, 214 north, 102 west, 215 north, 94 west, 210 north, 95 west, winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 to 11 feet in mixed 12. 36-hour forecast tropical storm Agatha near 16.7 north, 95.2 west. Maximum sustained winds 50 knots, gusts 60 knots. Tropical storm force winds within 30 nautical miles north semicircle and 70 nautical miles south semicircle. Seas 12 feet or greater over forecast waters within 120 nautical miles south semicircle with seas to 16 feet. Elsewhere within 15 north, 94 west, 214 north, 96 west, 216 north, 97 west, 216 north, 95 west, 216 north, 94 west, 215 north, 94 west, including offshore Gulf of Tehuantepec. Winds 20 to 33 knots. Seas 8 to 12 feet. Remainder of area within 10 north, 95 west, 208 north, 101 west, 210 north, 110 west, 216 north, 94 west, 210 north, 95 west, winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 to 11 feet in mixed 12. 48-hour forecast post-tropical Agatha near 17.6 north, 94.4 west. Maximum sustained winds 25 knots, gusts 35 knots. Over forecast waters within 09 north, 97 west, 208 north, 101 west, 211 north, 104 west, 213 north, 101 west, 213 north, 96 west, 209 north, 97 west, southwest to west winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 8 to 10 feet in southwest 12. Elsewhere within 09 north, 97 west, 207 north, 99 west, 209 north, 115 west, 211 north, 115 west, 215 north, 94 west, 209 north, 97 west, including offshore Gulf of Tehuantepec. Winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 feet in southwest 12. 60-hour forecast. Dissipated. Forecast winds and active tropical cyclones should be used with caution due to uncertainty in forecast track, size and intensity, synopsis and forecast. within 27 north, 113 west, 225 north, 115 west, 228 north, 117 west, 230 north, 120 west, 230 north, 116 west, 227 north, 113 west, northwest winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas less than 8 feet. Within 29.5 north, 128 west, 229 north, 131.5 west, 229.5 north, 132 west, 230 north, 132.5 west, 230 north, 128 west, 229.5 north, 128 west, winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 feet in northwest 12. 24-hour forecast within 26 north, 118 west, 227 north, 126 west, 230 north, 129 west, 230 north, 116 west, 226 north, 118 west, northwest to north winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 8 to 11 feet in northwest and north 12. 48-hour forecast within 23 north, 117 west, 223 north, 121 west, 227 north, 127 west, 230 north, 129 west, 230 north, 116 west, 223 north, 117 west, winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 to 11 feet in northwest and north 12. 24-hour forecast within 22 north, 109 west, 222 north, 110 west, 222 north, 111 west, 223 north, 111 west, 223 north, 109 west, 222 north, 109 west, west to northwest winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas less than 8 feet. 36-hour forecast conditions improve. Winds 20 knots or less. Seas less than 8 feet. 36-hour forecast within 03.4 south, 115 west, 203.4 south, 120 west, 202.5 south, 120 west, 202.5 south, 115.5 west, 203.4 south, 115 west, winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 feet in south to southwest 12. 48-hour forecast within 03.4 south, 109 west, 203.4 south, 120 west, 202 south, 120 west, 202 south, 117 west, 202 south, 114 west, 203.4 south, 109 west, winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 feet in south to southwest 12. Remainder of area winds 20 knots or less. Seas less than 8 feet. Convection valid at 0130 coordinated universal time Monday, May 30. Hurricane Agatha. Numerous strong within 60 nautical miles of center. Scattered moderate to strong elsewhere from 09 north, 216 north, between 92 west and 106 west. Intertropical convergence zone monsoon trough. Monsoon trough from 11 north, 36 west, 215 north, 95 west, then resumes west of Agatha from 14 north, 105 west, 210 north, 120 west, 208 north, 131 west, 210 north, 140 west. Scattered, moderate, isolated, strong from 03 north to 11 north, between 81 west and 87 west. From 09 north, between 15 north, between 108 west and 118 west. From 09 north to 11 north, between 118 west and 123 west. And from 05 north to 10 north, between 128 west and 136 west. Scattered, moderate from 01 north to 09 north, between 77 west and 79 west. And from 04 north to 10 north, between 136 west and 140 west. Forecaster Lou Witzke, National Hurricane Center. EOC Command Duty Officer /FLT WHCEN Norfolk, Virginia LOC Norfolk, Virginia /TEL 7572-444-7583/email FWC Norfolk CDO at Navy Bill /RM KSS CPN 35 KWBC 300330 OFF 10:35 marine weather. HF Voice broadcast National Weather Service Ocean Prediction Center, Washington, D.C. 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Sunday, May 29, 2022, Washington. And Oregon waters, inner waters from 60 nautical miles to 150 nautical miles offshore. Outer waters from 150 nautical miles to 250 nautical miles offshore. Conditions given represent the highest within that period. These given a significant wave height, which is the average height of the highest one-third of the wave. Individual waves may be more than twice the significant wave height. Synopsis for Washington and Oregon waters. A ridge of high pressure to the west of the waters will move slowly east tonight, entering the waters by Monday and remaining in place into Tuesday night. A weakening cold front will move east over the western portions of the waters Wednesday and then dissipate Wednesday night or Thursday. A stronger low-pressure system will approach the southern waters from the west Thursday night into Friday night. Cape Flattery to Cape Lookout tonight. Northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 8 feet. Slight chance of showers. Monday. Northwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Monday night. North to northwest winds less than 10 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Tuesday. Variable winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Tuesday night. South to southeast winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Wednesday. South to southeast winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Wednesday night. South to southeast winds less than 10 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Thursday. Southeast winds less than 10 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Thursday night. South winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 5 to 6 feet. Friday. South winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Friday night. South to southeast winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Cape Lookout to Point St. George. Tonight. Northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 6 to 9 feet. Slight chance of showers. Monday. North to northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Monday night. North winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Tuesday. North winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Tuesday night. North winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Wednesday. Variable winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Wednesday night. South winds less than 10 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Thursday. South winds less than 10 knots. Seas 5 to 6 feet. Thursday night. South to southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Friday. South to southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 6 to 7 feet. Friday night. South winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet. Forecaster Mills. Ocean Prediction Center. EOC Command Duty Officer // FLT WACEN Norfolk, Virginia LOC Norfolk, Virginia /HEL 7572 444 7583 email FWC Norfolk CDO at Navy Mill /RM KSF CPN 36KWBC 3003380FF 1036 Marine Weather HF Voice Broadcast National Weather Service Ocean Prediction Center, Washington, D.C. 8:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Sunday, May 29, 2022, California. Waters, inner waters from 60 nautical miles to 150 nautical miles offshore. Outer waters from 150 nautical miles to 250 nautical miles offshore. Conditions given represent the highest within that period. These given a significant wave height, which is the average height of the highest one-third of the wave. Individual waves may be more than twice the significant wave height. Synopsis for California waters. High pressure west of the waters tonight will build east Monday into Monday night, with the ridge axis reaching the northern and central waters early Tuesday and remaining in place through Wednesday before weakening Wednesday night. A weaker pressure pattern will ensue across all of the waters Thursday into Friday, as a cold front dissipates over the northern waters later Thursday and Thursday night. Developing low pressure will approach the northwest portion of the area from the west Friday night. A trough of low pressure along the California coast will remain rather strong tonight into Monday night, and then weaken Tuesday through Friday night. Point St. George to Point Elena tonight. North winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 11 feet. Monday. North winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 6 to 10 feet. Monday night. North winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 6 to 11 feet. Tuesday. North winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 10 feet. Tuesday night. North to northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 8 feet. Wednesday. Northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Wednesday night. Northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Thursday. Northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Thursday night. West to southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Friday. West to southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Friday night. South winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 8 feet. Point Elena to Santa Cruz Island, California. Gale warning. Tonight. North to northwest winds 25 to 35 knots. Seas 9 to 15 feet. Monday. North winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 9 to 14 feet. Monday night. North to northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 8 to 14 feet. Tuesday. North to northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 8 to 13 feet. Tuesday night. Northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 7 to 11 feet. Wednesday. Northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 9 feet. Wednesday night through Friday. Northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Friday night. West to northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet. Santa Cruz Island, California to San Clemente Island, California. South to Guadalupe Island. Gale warning. Tonight. North to northwest winds 25 to 35 knots. Seas 9 to 15 feet. Monday. Northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 8 to 15 feet. Monday night. Northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 8 to 14 feet. Tuesday. Northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 8 to 13 feet. Tuesday night. Northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 7 to 11 feet. Wednesday. Northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Wednesday night. Northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet. Thursday. Northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 8 feet. Thursday night through Friday night. Northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Forecast from Mills Ocean Prediction Center. This is United States Coast Guard Communications Command out.